Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be showing you how I recreated those Pokeball flowers that I keep seeing all over the place. I do love Pokemon a lot and I'm very excited to try and recreate these flowers. I'm hoping it'll work. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some guidelines for this. So I'm just going to take a regular pencil and I'm just going to draw some simple guidelines to follow so I know, where maybe paint should stop or start. Okay, so now that I have a guideline for myself, the next thing to do is to paint it. I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to paint the top of it red. Basically just going to take each petal and paint it. And I'm going to get messy. Okay, so this is the finished product so far, and I'm actually really happy with it. I think it looks really, really cool. So that's pretty much about it. I just made the marks, painted the top red, the bottom. I actually did paint white, especially since I got a little bit of black paint on the bottom, so I definitely was able to just cover up that with white paint. Plus, I do think it definitely looks better with white paint on the bottom. So it's pretty much it. It was actually pretty simple, although what I would recommend is, since I was very impatient and I painted the red, I painted the black, and then I painted the white, what I would recommend is paint one color at a time and let it dry in between. That way it'll save you a couple steps of when you mess up. Hopefully you won't mess up the paint job, it'll save you a couple steps. Another thing I would do is start from the inside and work your way out. For example, paint the inside petals and then work your way out. That would also make it a little bit easier. So I am going to do this one, but I'll do this one later. So this is how it pretty much turned out, and I'm very happy with it. So that is it. That is how I made the Pokeball flower. I'm very excited and very happy with the way it looks. And again, I will paint the other one and then it'll be finished. So that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!